Hello students, in this lesson we will see computer's memory and storage device. The brain of the computer CPU controls all the data and instructions given to it through input devices and stores in its memory. This data can be retrieved from the computer's memory as and when required during processing. Computer memory. A computer has two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory helps in the flow of information and performing calculations. Secondary memory is required to store input and output data permanently. The primary memory is also known as the main memory of the computer. Characteristics of primary memory. It is very fast. It is located at the motherboard. It cannot store large amount of data. It stores data and instruction associated with the current process being worked upon the CPU. Types of primary memory. The primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is also called the working memory of a computer. It is also referred to as the read and write memory, as you can easily read or write data on RAM. RAM is volatile or temporary memory, as it loses data in the absence of power supply. ROM stands for read-only memory. ROM is called non-volatile or permanent memory of a computer. It does not lose any information when there is no power supply. Secondary memory. To store your data permanently, you can use secondary memory. It is also known as external or auxiliary memory. This includes hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, and pen drive. Advantages of secondary memory. It can store large amount of data as compared to the primary memory. Once you save your data and instructions in the secondary memory, they will not get deleted until someone deletes them manually. You can easily change or delete the data stored on secondary devices from one computer to another. Storing data in computer memory. A computer stores data in the form of bits. 8 bits combine to form a byte. The large amount of data stored in a computer is measured in large units such as kilobyte, megabyte, and so on. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, and 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, and 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabyte. Storage devices. Secondary memory devices are also called storage devices. Let us discuss different types of storage devices and their purposes. Hard disk. Hard disk is the most important secondary memory device. It contains all the saved data and software used by the computer. It is made up multiple disks and can store large amount of data. Its storage capacity is up to 2 TB to 5 TB. Compact disk. A compact disk is a circular disk in which data can be written to and read from. It is optical storage device. It stores data by making marks in a pattern that can be read with the help of a beam of laser light. CD can store up to 700 MB of data. There are three types of CDs available in the market. First one is CD-ROM. It stands for compact disk read-only memory. As the name suggests, you can only read the data stored, but you cannot change, delete, or save any more data in it. For example, movie CD. CDR. It stands for compact disc recordable. The data once written on it cannot be deleted. CDRW. It stands for compact disc rewritable. You can write data on it again and again. Digital versatile disk looks similar to CD, but it can store larger amount of data than a CD. The quality of audio and video files saved on a DVD is also much better than a CD. DVDs can store up to 4.7 GB of data. Blu-ray disc. It is an optical disc and appears similar to a CD or DVD. It can store up to 25 GB data on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. It can store high quality sound, games, and movies. USB drive. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. USB drive is very compact storage device that can store large amount of data. USB drive are also known as pen drive or thumb drives or flash drives. SD card. SD card stands for Secure Digital Card. It is a compact storage device that is used to add memory to digital devices such as smartphone and digital cameras. Despite its small size, SD cards can store large amount of data. In this picture, you can see computer's memory divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory examples are hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. And these are the examples of secondary storage devices: CD, DVD, USB flash drive, SD card, CD, hard disk.